Okay, that's great, Belle. Belle, today teacher has some questions for you, okay? Good job. Now let's see. What letter is this?
Let the D sound.
And this one? This letter?
Let the K sound.
This one?
Let the J sound.
This one?
Let the F sound.
This?
Let the I sound E.
And this one?
Let the A sound A.
This one?
Let the E sound E.
This?
Let the H sound.
Okay, and this one?
Let the K sound.
Belle, give me one word with letter K sound code.
Eat a cola.
It's Okora, that's great. Okay, so now let's move on. Now what's this?
Eat a banana.
Banana starts with letter.
Let the B sound.
What's this?
Eat a alligator.
It's an alligator. Alligator starts with letter.
Let the A sound A.
And this?
Is a flower.
What's the color of the flower?
Eat red.
Okay, what's flower starts with letter?
Let the S sound.
What's this?
Is a dog.
What's this?
Is an elephant.
Elephant starts with letter.
Let the E sound A.
Doll starts with letter.
Let the D sound.
Okay, that's great. Now, Belle, take this and read the sentences for teacher to see.
I brush my teeth.
Good job.
A horse has 4 legs.
That's great.
We see cats and dogs.
That's my girl.
His hat is blue.
Good job.
An elephant is in the zoo.
That's great. Okay, now Belle, what's this?
It's a jacket.
Good job. Jacket starts with letter.
Let the J sound.
What's this?
It's a house.
House starts with letter.
Let the H sound.
And what's this?
It's an ice cream.
Ice cream starts with letter.
Let the I sound. E.
Good job.
It's a key.
Starts with letter.
Let the K sound.
What's this?
It's a guitar.
Guitar starts with letter.
Let the D sound.
What's this?
It's a lion.
Lion starts with letter.
Let the L sound.
Good job. Okay, now take this and let's read the story.
My cat.
Good job.
I have a cat.
That's great.
My cat is orange.
Good job.
Her name is Mimi. Mimi is fat.
Good job.
She has a long tail.
Good job.
Her eyes are brown.
Good job.
She likes milk and cookies.
Good job.
I love to play with my cat.
Give teacher a high five. That's my girl. Okay, we bring our speaking test down. Goodbye, Belle.
Goodbye, Jerry.